Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Oh yes, guys. The waiting is finally over. Shortly after my video yesterday, the price went for another rip above 95,000, technically for the 10th time. But this time it stayed there and pushed directly to our next target at 96,000. That move brought us deep into the short liquidation zone we derived yesterday from the 3-day liquidation heat map. In the last 24 hours, total liquidations reached $210.74 million, with shorts making up 155 million of that. We're deep in the green, with Bitcoin up 3.34% in the last 24 hours, hitting new local highs at 97.4 thousand. After retesting 96.2, the price pushed back up and is now above 97,000 again. Right now it's aiming for the next gray horizontal at 97.4 and then the key yellow line at 100,000. What's funny is that people are still shorting hard, despite the clear bullish reversal and steady climb up. Checking the 3-day heat map, we see a new cluster of high leverage shorts opened after the push to 97.4, creating a massive hot pocket of liquidity from 97.4 to 98.8. A breakout here could be explosive. While the 3-day map doesn't show much around 100,000, switching to the 3-month heat map reveals a massive short liquidity cluster at that level. These are positions left behind since February, when Bitcoin rejected from 99.3 down to the 70s. That level is likely next in line for a full cleanup. As for the ETF flows, on April 30th, we saw negative net flows of minus 56.3 million, even though BlackRock alone bought 267 million. Yesterday on May 1st, flows turned green again with 71.1 million, and that's with BlackRock's numbers still missing. If they match their usual buying volume, which is likely around 200 million or more, that puts total net inflows back to an impressive 270 to 300 million range. Meanwhile, Saylor is reportedly raising 84 billion by leveraging his strategy shares to buy more Bitcoin. Are you stacking as hard as they are? I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.